Hello beautiful people, I have another video for you today and it's titled how to add third category to your Classiera theme. If I want to have a category named home and under home I want to have a solar energy, and under solar energy I wish to have solar energy accessories. This is how I'm going to set it up in Classiera. You can see here I don't have a home at all, so I'm going to start setting up that category. I move over to this place. On my dashboard I go to post and say categories. So when I come here, I'm going to repeat home. And I will come here and say add new category, and home is added here. So now I want to add solar energy at the second level, so I copy that, come here and add solar energy. Then under parent, this home is going to be the parent of this, so I drop this down and choose home and say add new category. And you can see this is one step below home. That is what it simply means. A step under home. Now for the last one, which is solar energy accessories, I'm going to copy that, come back here, paste, then under parent I'm going to choose the solar energy. So I choose solar energy and I say add category. You can see I have two steps here, which means solar energy is the first step. Now on the second step we have solar energy accessories, and here is the parent. So let's go test this out and see how it looks like. I need to refresh this page now. Then return, as if I want to make a new post. And here I have my home. So when I click on home, this is home. Solar energy first level comes up. I click on that, and the second step category comes up. Click on solar energy. You see it's added here. Click on solar energy accessories. You see that here. But there is no fourth category despite adding it. So Classiera only supports third category as of today. And that will be the end of my lesson today. Have a nice day.